Hello children, welcome to today's class. And today we are going to cover a very important topic for actually all the classes from 9th to 12th. This is article writing. Previously it was for 10 marks, but now as we know that some syllabus has been deleted, and so the article writing here will be carrying just 5 marks, but still it is very important. You will be getting two options for this question, article or report. So you can attempt any one, and the word limit will be 120 to 150 words. So let's know how to write an impressive article. What is article? First of all, an article is an expression of one's thought on an issue or a subject, logically and coherently, written in meaningful paragraphs. Okay, different paragraphs. Writing an article is a challenging task. It needs creativity, good vocabulary, good knowledge of the subject, and very important, skill to organize ideas. I have seen many a times the students write whatever they wish to write in a single flow. They are writing the reasons in the first paragraph, then they come to conclusion, then in the third paragraph they again write reasons, and solutions or suggestions are nowhere in the article writing. So this is a completely wrong style of writing an article. You should have a skill to organize ideas. What is the purpose of article writing? To focus on themes like social concern, narrating an event or description of a place, etc. This is very important. The process of writing anything, whether you are writing article or report or notice or any writing task you are doing, diary entry, you must remember CODER, CODER. In your written work, it is advisable to follow the process outlined below. We call it CODER. See it carefully. C stands for collecting ideas. O, organizing ideas. D, make your first draft or drafting. Then drafting means you just note down all the important points, like you do note making. So you should note down all the important points which come to your mind on the rough side of the page, and then you should edit your work, and then is revise your work. So this is CODER. C, collect your data. O, organize your data. D, drafting. E, editing. And R, revising. Okay, this should be there in your mind with whatever writing task you are doing. So some points to remember article. Give a title that catches the attention of the reader. If the title is given in the statement, do not change it. But if you are just given a sentence and you have to make your own title, then it should be catchy. Title should be in all capital letters except preposition. Okay, like if it is value of trees, V should be capital, T should be capital, and O should be small because O is preposition. If you write all capital letters like V, A, L, U, E, O, F, T, R, E, E, S, then it is also correct. Okay, either you can give the capital letter for each word except preposition in the title, or you can give all the letters capital in the title. Both are correct. Next is begin with a striking opening sentence, maybe quotations, or some famous proverbs you can have, which addresses the readers and gets them interested in the topic. If your opening is very interested, the audience will definitely be interested in your topic, in your writing. Present a strong argument for your ideas, supporting it with evidences or elaboration. If you know any kind of evidence, suppose you say 10 years back this was the situation, now this is the situation. If you know clear data, you should use it, or you should give some examples to prove your argument, to support your argument. Use linking devices, linkers, you all have done. However, therefore, although, even though, in order to, both, and, not only but also, and many more are there to make the composition appear a whole. Okay, so these kind of linkers should be used. Next is introduce a new point at the beginning of each paragraph that follows to strengthen your ideas. Develop your ideas as much as you can to make them interesting and substantial. You should have the clear ideas of the subject. Sometimes what happens, the child is having just one idea and he is repeating the idea in the whole writing task. You'll be given 50% marks of the writing task if you do this. The format is okay and the ideas are repeated, then marks will be reduced. Conclude with your strongest point. The ending and the beginning both are very important. So ending should also be with your strongest point. Use passive voice, humor, emotive language, rhetorical questions to provide a specific effect. You can ask a rhetorical question in between the topic, the article as well, like we do in speech writing. Similarly, you can have it in article writing as well. So you all now know article writing is a long composition which we intend to publish in a newspaper or a magazine. Purpose is to create public opinion or awareness, to discuss negative or positive aspects of an issue, or it can be both as well. Matter of political, social, economic importance, these kind of issues are covered in article writing which are published in newspaper or magazine. Format: title not more than 4 words. Okay, should not be very lengthy. And now as per the new format this year, as I have told you that this carries 5 marks. So the distribution is 1 mark is given for format, 2 marks are given for content, and 2 marks are given for expression. Title not more than 4 words you write. Then you can write by whatever the name is given in the statement. This by Avinash or by Rohini, whatever the name is given, you can write it in the center, okay, followed by the title, or you can write it in the right side as well. Content should be 3 or 4 paragraphs. It should be in paragraphs. Do not start and end in the same paragraph. So paragraph first should be introduction of the topic. Paragraph 2 can have causes or effects, negative or positive aspects of your issue, of your topic, implication or benefits, placing responsibility, who should come ahead and solve this problem. And in the last para you should go with conclusion, that is solution or suggestions you should give. And you should not write these headings, introduction and negative impacts or conclusion. No, these are given in essay writing. In article writing, do not give these kind of headings to paragraphs. So let's have one solved article for an example. The statement is, children nowadays are not interested in playing outdoor games, resulting in lack of immunity and other implications. Write an article on the topic importance of outdoor games, mentioning details in about 200 words. Sign yourself as Madhu or Avinash. Girls will go with Madhu name and boys will go with name Avinash. And here in the inverted commas, importance of outdoor games, you have got your title. So you do not need to change it. You can write all letters in capital, importance of outdoor games by Avinash. And now the first para will be introduction, beginning. As I have told you, the beginning sentence is very important. This is, the Battle of Waterloo was won in the playfields of Eton. This is a very famous quotation when there was a war between Napoleon and British Army, and British Army general was capable enough to defeat this Napoleon person who was very, very strong. So when he was asked that how was he able to do this, and then he said that the Battle of Waterloo was won in the playfields of Eton. Why he was capable? Because it was fought in a play field. Means playing is so important that you can make the impossible into possible. A famous general once said, this statement shows the importance of outdoor games which are essential for the all-round development of a child or a student. So this quotation is banged on target with this article. So you should have this kind of beginnings. Next we are going to paragraph 2, where we are going to discuss causes, effects, what are the reasons and who is going to take the responsibility. This should be there in the second paragraph. A healthy mind resides in a healthy body. This is very simple language. It is known to everyone, and the simplest way to maintain one's health is playing outdoor games. Children nowadays are addicted to computers and mobile phones. They hardly find any time for outdoor games. We are going to give the reasons. Even the parents are more interested in bookish knowledge of their children and hardly encourage them to go out and play. Outdoor games are also good for mental health of a child. Now we are telling importance of outdoor games. We have told the reasons, now importance. Mental health of a child is also helpful in personality development. A child learns qualities such as leadership quality, team spirit, and balance of mind. Outdoor games can also open new avenues in the career of a student. A weak student in studies can become a sports star, and players like Sachin Tendulkar can become the role models of these students. Why? Sachin Tendulkar is specially mentioned because he was not good at studies, but he was a great player. So these students who are weak in studies can have Sachin Tendulkar as their role model. They can get the inspiration. So here we have got the causes and reasons of this topic. Then what is the effect on students' mind, how playing outdoor games can benefit them. Next we are going to give suggestions. Schools and parents can play important role. Who's going to take the responsibility? Schools and parents can play important role in encouraging the children to play outdoors. The parents should encourage their children to play. Schools must have a game period compulsorily daily and should provide all the infrastructure required for sports activities in the school campus itself, so that each student may get an opportunity to play and enjoy. This is it. This is for 120 to 150 words. So it's very easy if you organize your ideas. Why it is difficult or complicated? Because you have so many ideas but you don't know how to organize it. So simply follow CORDER: collection, organizing, drafting, editing, and revising before jumping into any writing task. So what we have done in this sample of article writing, para 1 was introduction with quotation or without quotation, it can be, but it should be very impressive. Para 2 dealt with reasons of lack of interest among students, like you can also include lack of open spaces, addiction to computers or mobiles, attitude of parents. Importance we have also covered, that is physical health, mental health, personality development, and career option. Para 3, solution: change in attitude of parents should be there. Just do not go with the bookish knowledge, and they should also encourage their children to go out and play. Encouragement at school level and infrastructure. So this is how you are supposed to write an article. And now some sentences you can include in your speaking skills. I don't fear means I'm not afraid, or like this, I don't fear. Next, if you want somebody to do something for you, you can ask in this way: will you do a favor to me? Will you do a favor to me? Third, if you are not able to get somebody said something, you can say I couldn't listen to him. If you are telling the third person, I couldn't listen to him. This is very important. Would that I passed. Would that. You have done it in models in since previous many classes. Would that. When you wish for something which had not happened, which has not happened. Would that I passed. Would that you were here. He's not here and you are missing him, and you are telling him कि काश वो यहाँ पर होता. Would that he were here. You use were with it. It's beyond my power. When you are not able to help anything, you are helpless, you can use this. It's beyond my power. If somebody is just surprising you with his behavior or values, you can say, what are you made of? What are you made of? Rest assured. When fingers are crossed and you are hoping for something good, you can say this: rest assured. So these are some of the sentences you can include in your speaking skill. Note these down as well, and it will be very beneficial for you in the coming times. Have a good day.